What's up, guys? Robert back here at ADS Motorsports. We're back here again tonight at Zollinger Racing Products. This is like the second time in a week. Travis?
Yes, sir.
Why did you bring me back here?
We're going to talk about Razor clutch covers today. Yeah, you can't ride your Turbo S anymore.
Oh man.
Yeah, they took them away from you.
What?
Yeah, things falling apart, flying out of the cover, destroying stuff.
That sounds expensive.
Let's see.
Well, let's see your fix. Let's see what you got.
Okay. We have a billet 7075 clutch cover. Replaces the stock one.
Okay.
A little thicker.
So now thicker, isn't that going to make it heavier?
Maybe a little bit, yeah, probably.
Nothing too crazy though.
No, your turbo 4-stroke motor doesn't really care.
Sorry, I got distracted there.
That's okay. So yeah, we put some cross beams in it, thickened the beams up, and we relieved it so that the clutch can actually overshift as well.
So is that just the weights being able to open up?
Yeah, it'll let the clutch shift out further.
Okay.
So, see that? The clutch cannot.
It's sitting right on there.
Yeah. So the cover is actually stopping the clutch from shifting out all the way.
Yeah, okay, I got you. Okay, so we saw the old one now on the overshift. Let's turn that a little bit.
Which way do you want?
Right there, straight. Oh, so that gap right there is what you're talking about.
Yes.
So that's giving you a little bit of overshift. Also a lot stronger, so you're talking these weights right here, when they're all the way out, pushing that up.
Yep.
Just that little extra.
Yep, it'll help your belt not slip on top end.
Okay, so for the higher speed, like dune guys, anything like that, desert. Perfect, so there's your stock one right there. Focus on that. Stock ZRP. That ZRP one just seems to be built a lot better. And fixes your recall right away.
Right away.
Well, I think that's all we got tonight, right, Trav?
Pretty much.
Awesome. Well, as always, we got a decent. We out!
We out.